Welcome back and happy Monday. I hope all of you enjoyed your weekend and the cooler weather and the little bit of rain that we did get. Here's a look at those current temperatures outside. If you're just about ready to head out the door, really nothing out of the ordinary here. We're seeing 40s across your interior valleys, but as you make your way over some of the coastal valleys and along the coast, temperatures there right around the 40s and in some cases the 50s. We have a little bit of fog developing, but we mostly have cloudy skies at a mid to high level, and the fog is really concentrated around areas like San Luis Obispo and just south of Paso Robles into some of our inland valley communities. And here's a look at your weather model, what we can expect as we continue this morning. We definitely have the cloud cover lingering over some of your coastal valleys, but we're actually expecting more sunshine by this afternoon. For that morning drive, it is possible you might need to use those windshield wipers as we might have a little bit of drizzle and mist. Otherwise, as you can see, by about 2 o'clock, mostly clear skies here across the central coast with some patchy clouds developing later tonight into your overnight hours. Now taking a look at what we can expect in terms of these wind speeds. So we are starting off fairly mild. Winds will start to shift out of the northwest heading into your afternoon. It could be pretty breezy at times over some of your valley locations, but more so along the coast. We're seeing some of the wind activity near the south coast right around 20 miles per hour. We'll have similar conditions continuing through the overnight hours for Lompoc too, as well as for the north coast. We do have some changes on the way with this forecast. I would say they're pretty significant too. Talking about this high pressure that's going to be building by Wednesday into the end of your week, that's going to result in clear skies and dry conditions. So here's a look at the next 3 days. As you can see, out along the coast, we'll be right around the low 60s tomorrow. Same thing for those coastal valleys, upper 60s for the interiors. But take a look at Wednesday. That's when those temperatures really jump back to the mid 70s for the coastal areas, close to the 80s by then. And then by Thursday, we could be reaching the low 90s, maybe even staying there through the end of your week and into your weekend possibly. You can see for those coastal valleys, low 80s and mid 70s by Thursday. So quite the change there in the forecast. In terms of these daytime highs, we're right around the low 60s for Paso Robles today, upper 50s for San Luis Obispo. These temperatures are actually pretty consistent throughout. You can see we have mid 50s for Cuyama, but we also have temperatures close to that for areas like Vandenberg and even for Orchid. Temperatures here over the 5 cities region ranging from those mid to upper 50s. 60 degrees today for Shandon. Daytime highs over the north coast region will be right around the low to mid 50s. So you'll probably need a jacket this morning and likely you'll need it by this afternoon. Back to you.